Hi, thank you for including our photo booth in your rental. I'm going to show you some quick tips and quickly how you can set that up. You'll come to this first cabinet here, and here you'll find 3 poles. You'll take these 3 poles out, you'll screw them together, A, A, B, B. You'll then pick your black or your white backdrop. You'll put it through the hem of that curtain and snap it to the bracket and then into the second bracket. You'll find in these other cabinets some props. This is our Pay It Forward program. We've had many people just like you who have just left some different props for the next person to use, and we encourage you to participate in that program. You will find some clips here should you want to customize your solid backdrop to make it, to dazz it up. We've got some clips here that you can clip up your own decorations to make it unique to your theme. Along with that, you'll find some tripods and some selfie sticks in the cabinets. If you have any questions about how to use our photo booth, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.